What's up, guys? So today we're at this awesome abandoned prison dairy farm outside Monroe, Washington, and I'm here with my friend Tony, and we're just gonna go check it out, see what it looks like, and I hope you enjoy it. You know what this reminds me of?
Walking Dead?
Well, Walking Dead for one, but like the Jumanji or something, like all the vines coming out.
Yeah.
Holy crap. So I wonder what was in here at one time.
It's just like, it looks like it was an office or something.
So as long as we don't get jammed with thorns.
Like you can get a shot like out this way.
Dang. We're inside. So yeah, it looks like this is some old refrigeration place where they kept all the different meats and different foods. But man, look at this. Ceiling collapsed. This is unbelievable.
It's like a scene from like Fallout.
Yeah. That's what I was gonna say.
The rafters and everything. That's like crazy looking.
Wow, it's insane. Yeah, so as long as we don't trip and fall. Man, this is unbelievable.
Apparently people were eating lots of ice cream in here.
Holy cow.
Look. Strawberry. Just a little bit. 9A1, an arrow pointing down. Ooh, look at this. All the weird stuff written on the wall.
A what?
Yeah, see that writing on the wall?
Oh, weird. What is that? Yeah, I don't know what that means. 59A1.
Yeah.
Could be like some, you know how like when people build different buildings, they have like random, I don't know, they write different numbers and stuff.
There's a nice little shot right here.
Someone named Big Daddy was here.
Big Daddy E was here.
And I love myself. Well, I'm glad you do. There we go. The jungle has taken over. The chief. This is crazy, man. Yeah, so basically this place was run by the prison. All the minimum inmates came down from the prison and worked on this dairy farm, and a lot of inmates enjoyed it because they actually got, you know, time off the hill, and they could come down here and work and, you know, earn 20 cents a day or 20 cents an hour or whatever. And pretty interesting. But yeah, so this place closed down in 2001, and I don't know, 15 years, you can definitely tell the weeds and everything that's grown over. And like Tony said, it reminds him of Fallout slash kind of Jumanji, Walking Dead, all those. Like, this is crazy. All the minimum inmates would come down from the prison and oh god, hold on.